Everything about the S23 series has been leaked, including the unboxing, cameras, hands-on videos, colors, and even pricing. With the launch of the S23 series is less than a week away, leaks right now are shaping up to perfection. Like a recent leak which confirms the pricing of the S23 series in different regions. And boy, if you are not in the US, then get ready for the price hike for the S23 series. But before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So guys, price is one of the major factor for purchase for any smartphone, and this year Samsung may disappoint you in that regards. According to a reliable leakster Ronald Colbrand, who shared the pricing for some European countries, and looking at these leaks, the S23 series will have a price hike of 50 to 100 euros, which is insane. Because if you compare it with the iPhone series, it's going to be pretty much high. Anyhow, the Indian and the South Korean pricing are also seeing a price jump. But what shocks me about the S23 series pricing in Turkey, which is around $2,000 for the base S23 and a whopping $3,000 for the S23 Ultra. Obviously, it depends upon countries to country and their tax system. So definitely tax in Turkey will be higher on smartphone than the rest of the countries. But I'm really happy about the pricing in the US because it's going to be remaining the same as the last year S22 Ultra, which is $1199 for the S23 Ultra, which is going to be good news. And you guys, don't be disappointing about the pricing if you are not in the US, because some compensation has been coming from Samsung in terms of the pre-order deals. Like Samsung has already launched the pre-reservation page in the US, which will straight give you a $50 credit. Plus, a leak regarding the UK pre-order deals has been surfaced, which showcase a memory upgrade benefits. Like if you pre-order the device, you will get a 512GB variant S23 Plus and the Ultra in a price of 256GB. And the S23 base model, you will get a 256GB in a price of 128GB. Plus, in some regions, you can even get a Galaxy Buds Pro 2 or Galaxy Watch 5 as a pre-order gifts. So definitely Samsung is trying their best to compensate you with these new pre-order deals. And if you don't buy the phone in the pre-order period, then definitely the price hike is real. And another thing that has been confirmed by this leak page, that the pre-order phase will be starting from February 1st to Feb 16. Now the final leak of today will be regarding the RAM and the storage tech, and it also been confirmed by Ice Universe that the upcoming S23 series will be packing a faster and more power efficient LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0 storage for all the S23 series model except the S23 base 128GB model, which is packing the UFS 3.1 flash storage, and it's going to be slower than the rest of the S23 series because it was developed by Chinese company, not Samsung themselves. And you guys, the promotional material for the S23 series has already been out, and it has confirmed one thing, that the night photography is going to be much more improved. The camera performance overall is getting much upgrade. Like leaks and rumors are prodding, the ultra stabilization is going to be coming for the S23 series, particularly in the S23 Ultra. 8K and 4K videos confirms this thing, that ultra stabilization is coming and it's going to be pretty amazing, and the video quality is looking great both in day and night. And even the photos that has been leaked confirms that this is going to be pretty nice phone. And you guys, if you are interested to see the camera sample for the S23 series, here is the video. Check them out as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.